How to integrate Shopify with Klaviyo. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best email marketing and SMS handler out there, okay, and it's called Klaviyo. Now, we're going to be integrating our Klaviyo with our Shopify, and it could be for various reasons. You may want to increase your sales, may want to increase your leads, may even want to promote your products, okay? And that's what Klaviyo is exactly for because it helps you with your marketing and it allows you to get a lot of leads. So, to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our Shopify, make sure everything is set it up. We're going to click on Add Apps. Now, once you click on Add Apps, generally you should find Klaviyo right here. But if it doesn't appear for you, just go to Shopify App Store. And once we come to Shopify App Store, you're going to go up to the search bar and search in Klaviyo. Okay. And it's going to automatically bring in Klaviyo Email and Marketing SMS. So we're going to go ahead and click on Install. And once you click on install, it's going to wait for things to load up. So once everything has properly loaded up, what it's going to do is it will be taking you through the onboarding for Klaviyo. Now, the Klaviyo onboarding process is pretty simple. It generally goes ahead and asks you for your details, and it's generally just going to go ahead and ask you to grant a request through Shopify. So once that is done, we're going to come to the register section. So firstly, you're going to go ahead and add a strong password for yourself. Once you do that, you have your store name. So I'm just going to keep it over here, and then you have your phone number. Now, once you do this, simply go ahead and click over here. Now you're going to choose all the images with a bus. There we go. And we're going to click on verify. Once that is done, simply go ahead and add in your store's URL. You can find your store's URL right here. Just come to online store, open up your online store like this, and we're simply going to copy this. We're going to come here, paste it. And once that is done, click on get started. And once you click on get started, again, it's going to take you to the onboarding. And once the onboarding is done, you're going to come right back to your store. Now, once you're obviously back into your store, what's going to happen is that you're going to easily be able to do proper marketing and you can market different things including your products and all the other syncs you have. So make sure to sync your profile and sync all of your products to Klaviyo so that you can actually market them. You're going to make sure to go ahead and add an address. Once the address is added, simply click on continue. Then you have a sender email address. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add a business email that I have. And once we add this business email, simply click on continue. And once you click on continue, it says, how do you want to reach your subscribers? It could be email only, SMS only, or it could be email and SMS. So I'm going to go with both of them because I want to utilize both of the features to get the maximum amount of leads that I want. And now it's going to ask me to confirm my email. So I'm going to do that and get right back into this. Now, once you've confirmed your email, this is where you're going to come to. So this is Klaviyo's main dashboard. So first of all, you're going to need to turn on website tracking. Okay, now website tracking is extremely necessary because it tracks the actual work that goes into your website. So it's going to be taking you to the Shopify editor where you're just going to confirm that you want to agree with the terms of the usage of proper Klaviyo integrated with your store. So once we're over here, we're going to activate it. And once it's successfully activated, you're going to return to your Klaviyo dashboard. Now, in your Klaviyo dashboard, you're going to follow the other steps that it gives you. But generally, as you can see, everything is done and good to go. Now, if you want to go ahead and start a campaign using Klaviyo, you're going to come to campaign section over here and you're going to click on create campaign. So you're going to give the campaign a name. I'm just going to keep it stock and we're going to choose the date. I'm going to keep it at an email campaign. And once you do that, you're going to click on save and continue. Once you click on save and continue, you're going to choose the recipients. Let's say I'm going to go with the newsletter recipient. You can also choose a don't send to. That's also an incentive. You can also include tracking parameters. I'm going to keep that on and off right now and click on continue to content. So first of all, I'm going to keep a subject line. Then you have the preview text. Once all of this is done, here comes the main hero, the email designer. So how would you like to design your email? It could be a drag and drop. It could be text only or it could be HTML where you can create it through a custom code. I'm going to go to drag and drop because I feel like I would make it better on that. And the best thing about drag and drop is that it actually gives you proper templates as well. So let's say I want to go with template types, and we are going to go with Shopify because obviously Shopify is what we're working on. And these are different Shopify templates that you can get, or you can even go with sales templates, if there's a sale going on for you, or if there's a deal that is going on. In my case, it will work better with an outreach program, okay, because I'm trying to reach people about my clothing store, or you can also just go with sales. Let's go ahead with a Black Friday sale. And once you click on that, we're going to click on use this template. You can actually see the features where you can get deals, sales, 2 columns, and a Cyber Monday widget. So that works with what I'm trying to look for. So once we're over here, you can actually go ahead and scour the whole place. So you have different logos to add. So let's say I'm going to edit this and I'm going to add my own logo. Okay. I don't exactly want this exact logo, so I'm going to click on replace and I'm going to click on upload image, click on select image. And once you click on select image, let's say, obviously I know this is the Nike logo, but I'm just going to go ahead and add this. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to make it smaller, okay, because I don't want it to be this big. So you can obviously choose a frame and crop it down, okay? So if we want to resize it, simply go ahead and decrease the size of the proper aspect ratios. Obviously, you can choose to not maintain the aspect ratios. It depends on you, on the style of look you want to actually go with. So I'm just going to decrease the size until I feel like it's good enough to fit in. And once that is done, the photo is resized and you're simply going to go ahead and click on save. And once you click on save, look at that. It looks much better and much nice. And what you can do is you can just, add different things into this because you have a whole editor over here where you can add texts, images, buttons, drop shadows, whatever you like. But once you're done, you're simply going to click on save. And once you click on save, you're going to go to the final outlooks of the email. Make sure to update your email address. Okay. And once you've done all of that, click on continue to review. And once you continue to review, you should be good to go. So it brings you to ready to send, where you have recipients, smart sending, subject line, etc. So if you have any issues, it's going to show you over here. But once this is done, you're simply going to click on schedule to send. You can either send your campaign right now or you can schedule it for a different time. I'm going to click on send it right now and we're going to simply do this. And yeah, there you go. So that is basically how email and SMS marketing is done through Klaviyo, and you can connect it straight to your Shopify and start working with your very own products and brands. Okay, and the email that's going to be associated with the sent email through Klaviyo on your email is going to be the email for your Shopify, and all the buttons are going to be linked up to the products that you have on your page. So yeah, that's the main idea of how you're going to be using Klaviyo with Shopify and integrating them and actually getting a good use out of their features. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that's all from me, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.